Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves a soft, elegant touch to your nails, you'll want to hear about this one. Today we're talking about OPI Nail Lacquer in Bubble Bath, a sheer, light nude pink creme that's fast-drying, chip-resistant, and perfect for those looking to elevate their nail game with a minimal yet classy look. When it comes to nail care, OPI has long been a trusted name in the beauty industry, and this nail polish is no exception. First off, let's talk about its key features. The formula is designed to be chip-resistant, which is a must-have if you're looking for longevity in your nail polish without constant touch-ups. The sheer light pink color gives a fresh, natural appearance, ideal for daily wear or even special occasions where you want that subtle, polished finish. It's also vegan and free from animal-derived ingredients, a big plus for those conscious about cruelty-free beauty. Now, in terms of usability, this nail polish is a dream. It applies smoothly without streaking, something I look for in a good polish. The formula dries quickly, which makes it easier to do a full set of nails without worrying about smudging or having to wait too long between coats. I also appreciated how even a single layer offers a beautiful soft tint that enhances the nails without looking too opaque or artificial. In my real-world testing, I noticed the polish holds up quite well over several days. I wore it through a full work week, including doing household chores, typing on my computer, and a few grocery runs. While I did see minor signs of wear along the tips after about 5 days, it's safe to say this is one of the more durable polishes I've tried, especially for a sheer shade. On the flip side, the sheer formula might not be everyone's cup of tea. If you're into bold, opaque colors, this might feel too subtle for you. The light pink finish is more about enhancing the natural beauty of your nails, so it won't give that wow factor that brighter, bolder colors might provide. Let's talk about the value for money. At 15 milliliters, this polish is priced fairly for the quality it offers. OPI is known for its high-performance formula, and while it's a bit pricier compared to drugstore brands, you're paying for the chip-resistant feature, the smooth finish, and the fact that it's vegan. If you're looking for a reliable, cruelty-free option that won't leave you with chips after a couple of days, this is a solid investment. If you're on the hunt for something similar at a lower price point, there are a few alternatives to consider. Brands like Essie and Sally Hansen also offer excellent chip-resistant polishes with a variety of nude and neutral shades. While they might not have the exact same formula, they can definitely get you close to the same polished, fresh look for less. As for the build quality, I love that OPI continues to deliver with its durable bottle and reliable formula. The packaging is simple, but it doesn't feel flimsy. Perfect for storing in your beauty drawer or carrying around in your handbag for touch-ups. And when it comes to longevity, you can expect the polish to last in your collection for a decent amount of time if stored properly, as it doesn't tend to thicken or go goopy like some other polishes. One last note on customer service. While I didn't personally interact with OPI's customer support, the brand is known for handling customer inquiries efficiently. You can rest easy knowing they're generally responsive if any issues arise. To wrap it up, OPI Nail Lacquer in Bubble Bath is a great choice if you're looking for a nail polish that's reliable, easy to apply, and gives you that perfect nude pink finish. It's an excellent product for those who like a subtle, everyday look with the added bonus of being chip-resistant and vegan. If you're not into sheer finishes, though, it may not be the bold statement you're looking for. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us continue to make honest, helpful reviews. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.